Hello everyone, and welcome back to CSC 151 Computer Applications. This is the Do-It-Yourself project for HTML. You'll notice that I do not have this set up in split screen view. So no, you're not seeing the code that made this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate the functionality of this site, and you're going to, using all the information that you've learned in the previous videos, cobble this together yourself. So, right now we have this says, welcome to the ColorChanger. I probably would want you to put your name up there as well, in some way, shape, or form. But what it is we have this. We have a black background, welcome to ColorChanger, and then I have these different links right over here. Got 6 of them. And I click it, and it'll go to the red page. I click the blue, it'll go to the blue page. I click yellow, it goes to yellow page. Green goes to green page. Orange goes to orange page, violet goes to the violet page. Now, I just picked the colors of the rainbow because I'm boring, but you could pick whatever colors you want. But the point being is that they are all working links, and each and every page changes the color. So, that is your big do-it-yourself project. And of course, once you're done this, I recommend you also go and take the quiz. And next week, we're going to be moving on from HTML, and we're going to be moving into Python coding. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day. See you next week.